Yeah, nice. Say Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was uh, not only just jurist or economist, he was a social reformer, and because of his social transformation movement, we millions of Bahujans have reached not only at national level but international level. And thanks for his uh, social crusade that we are able to interact at this level. Because of the pandemic of coronavirus, we are all isolated or quarantined. But for 5,000 years, we were quarantined because of the casteism. And it was because of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. His remedies made us that we are able to unquarantine us and we are able to interact. But the world should also now know that how is untouchability when they have to sit because of this coronavirus at their home confines in the four walls of their house. Now, instead of going too far about his achievements uh, as the chairman of drafting commission, I would like to focus on 2 points. First, the ongoing debate about nationalism, and also the ongoing debate about what we as doctors should do in this pandemic situation. As we know that here in the Western countries, most of the countries are in the lockdown, and gradually we are slowly opening up. And as I heard yesterday, in India also the lockdown is being extended. And for to take precautions for both for self and for the society, it is always better to stay home. But as a doctors, we cannot stay home. We have to go and treat our patients. And that's why I would suggest that you should take precaution with this advanced PPE. I know in the resource limited settings, it is difficult to get all those PPEs, but still your safety is the patient's safety. Stay safe, stay at home, but for the duty, we need to go and treat our patients. I would request Ashok's daughter to continue and give the speech.
Jai Bhim, everyone.
Jai Bhim.
Excited to say. My name is Anvi. My name is Anvi Balsore. I am from 5th grade. Today I am going to tell you about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I am really delighted to say that I always love to speak whenever the topic or the subject is about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, because this subject is actually very close to my heart. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whenever people talk about Dr. Ambedkar, they always limit him to the leader of the down-to-earth people. They limit him to a leader of the Dalits. Is that he was limited for only the people have about him? He was the principal architect of Indian Constitution. Well, that, of course, is the truth. But it will be not confined. And he was more than what people know about him. Even today, after so many years, Dr. Ambedkar has still not fully understood or appreciated by general masses. What people talk about him as the Messiah of down-to-earth and chief architect of Indian Constitution is very well developed. But it will be incomplete to say just that. He was truly a multi-talented personality. He was an intellectual giant. He was an economist by training. He was an anthropologist. He was a sociologist. He was a jurist. And he was the first law minister of India in Nehru's school. These are some various facets of his personality which people still do not understand. My friends, this is not all. He has done so much more. He has made many contributions in many other areas for the integration of India. With all these dimensions in life, was truly a multi-talented personality. I am the first Indian, and I am Indian in the end, and nothing in between. It belongs to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and it not belong to anybody else. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had before him not only the unprivileged people of the society, but the entire society. Babasaheb always believed in equality. His vision of social change and reclamation for human personality was universal. During his lifetime, he made many efforts and he used various strategies and methods to create a society with the base of the values of morality, fraternity, and liberty. दोस्तों, मैं एक लड़की हूँ, भारत देश की पुत्री हूँ और एक लड़की होने के नाते डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने नारी जाति पर किए हुए सारे उपकारों से भली भांति परिचित हूँ और उनके बारे में काफी कुछ पढ़ भी चुकी। स्वतंत्र पूर्व भारत में नारी को कोई विशेष अधिकार नहीं थे। Ladies did not have right to equality. उदाहरण के तौर पर बता दूं, मृत व्यक्ति के संपत्ति का वारिस सिर्फ उसका पुत्र ही हो सकता था, मगर आज कानूनन वो हक उसके बेटे की है और यह सिर्फ और सिर्फ डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब ने लिखी हुई राज्य घटना के कारण हुआ। अगर कोई औरत को किसी कारण डिवोर्स दिया जाता है तो उसकी उपजीविका के लिए उस पुरुष को अपनी आमदनी से उससे हिस्सा देना होगा। ये भी संभव हो चुका है राज्य घटना के कारण। और हाँ, अगर कोई लड़की विवाह योग्य हो जाती है, she has all the rights to take her own decision to select her own group. And these provisions are done into the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ladies were not allowed to take divorce from her husband. उसके साथ ही मर मर के जीना पड़ता था. Yes, you heard me right. But today, the Constitution gives all us ladies the right to decide on this. आज अगर पति अन्यायी हो, तो कोई भी सज्जन महिला उससे मुक्ति पा सकती है. बिल्कुल कानून. दोस्तों, ये बाबा साहेब ने हम सबको बाहर किया भारत है. बिल्कुल मॉडर्न इंडिया. By doing this, all the provisions into the Indian Constitution for all us ladies, irrespective of caste and religion. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ने सारी महिला जाति पर अनन्य साधारण उपकार किए हैं. I am so lucky to be born in independent India. I cannot imagine the life which my foremothers and my great-grandmothers lived before independence. Thank you, Baba Saheb, for all that you have done for India and for all that you have done for humanity. My dear friends, celebrating Baba Saheb's birth anniversary is not something for earning merit points. Just like the blind followers celebrate the birth anniversary of their gurus. This is the big mistake if someone thinks this way. At least, I am not in favor of these points, and I am sure many of you here will agree with me. The real purpose of celebrating today, of celebrating this great occasion to implement and follow his teaching in our life. In my view, we should cherish these memories. We should cherish the memory of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, as he has given all of us here a valid philosophy of life. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not only a man of intellect, but he was also a man of great modern character. He was a liberal-minded leader with the ideas of democracy, freedom of thoughts and expressions. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar embraced Buddhism to gain the basic human rights and self-respect needed. He was totally against the inequality of human being and ideology of Hinduism is nothing but the construction of caste system. Although he was born in Hindu religion, he decided to quit. He decided to embrace Buddhism and he did it in 1956. Why only Buddhism from all the religions? Why only Buddhism? Buddhism because Buddha's teachings are based on the values of morality and ethics. It has no kind of caste discrimination. It has no kind of caste system in it. Buddha's teachings were modern, rational, and contemporary. And Buddha makes us think and live by a reason. Following Babasaheb Ambedkar, lakhs of his followers embrace Buddhism and they are living the life full of self-respect and dignity. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying cultivation of mind is the ultimate aim of human existence. As mind cultivates, they seek light of knowledge. As knowledge comes, they understand Babasaheb. As one understands Babasaheb, they understand themselves. And as they understand themselves, they are on the right path of liberation. यह कारवा अब रुकने वाला नहीं. बाबा, आपका बंदा अब किसी के सामने झुकने वाला नहीं. जय भीम, जय भारत.
Concluding session, Dr. Shailesh Gorekar has given me the job of vote of thanks. First of all, let me thank Dr. Shailesh Gorekar and Dr. Rahul for their efforts, immense efforts for celebration of online celebration, I would call it, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's Jayanti. And it was such a wonderful event. It was really unique. And I must thank everyone, all the participants, especially Dr. Awad sir. I just intimated him 15-20 minutes back, and he has participated. Everyone, for that matter, has Ashok, his daughter, superb speech she has given, and it was really good. I mean, it is really, speechless. I am really good. I'm very happy to be a part of the meeting. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.